I literally had to stop for this video. I don't think I can hold this in any longer. I mean, seriously, what's up, Apple? And what's up with the rest of the other smartphone manufacturers having that silly notch at the top of your screen? I really can't stand that notch. And that's the reason why I've captioned today's video as, thank you, Samsung. Thank you for staying true to the fact that all smartphone screens, they need to be an even rectangle, you know. You don't need that silly notch at the top of your screen, okay? It's highly annoying, and for someone like me who's somewhat borderline OCD, I really cannot stand that notch at the top of your screen. Seriously, Apple, and for 2018, your new smartphones, apparently you guys are still gonna have the notch. The Google Pixels, they all have that notch at the top of the screen. I don't know. Something that Apple does, you know, and every single smartphone manufacturer actually thinks that it's cool. Just because Apple does it, it's cool, and they would just follow. Absolutely do not want notches on your smartphone screen. So to all the manufacturers out there, I'm sure it's been said more than once. I'm sure some YouTubers have actually said before, but this video is dedicated to all the manufacturers out there and telling you, I'm just gonna tell all of you not to create smartphones with that bloody goddamn notch. It's super highly annoying. It irritates the hell out of me, and I'm sure it irritates a lot of people out there. It's just that, oh, maybe because of technical limitation. No, it's not a technical limitation. It is something that you guys can really just take care of. Why would you want to have a notch? So just before I complete my rant, what does it mean for this Apple fanboy? Simple, I will not be upgrading my iPhone X this year. I'm just gonna get the Note 9. Why? I believe all smartphones should have even lines, even rectangles, even circles, even squares, you know. You're not supposed to embellish that with any notches anywhere on the top, on the bottom, on the left, or on the right. So until next year, Apple, I really hope that you will remove your current design and come back with a notchless design. Please, please, for the love of God. I really don't understand how, you know, your engineers with all their OCD will actually allow to have a notch right in the middle of the screen. So that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you share the same irritation I have for notches on your smartphones, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, you guys ride safe and take care.